You know how apps just update seamlessly? That's all about deployment strategies. Let's break them down.
Pushing new software live can be risky. One tiny bug and everything can go down. That's a huge problem.
And that's why you need a solid deployment strategy. It's your game plan for a smooth release.
Okay, first up, the old school way, the recreate strategy. Let's see what that looks like. It's simple. You stop the old version, pop in the new one, and then start it back up.
The huge downside, your users get nothing but downtime. Not great, right?
Thankfully, we've got way smarter methods now that keep things running smoothly. Let's check them out.
First, there's blue-green. You have two identical setups. Get the new one perfect, then just flip a switch.
And if there's a problem, you just flip the switch right back. Instant rollback, zero drama.
Or you could do a rolling deployment. Here, you update servers in small batches, piece by piece.
Then you've got the Canary release, kind of like a canary in a coal mine, but for your code. You roll it out to just a few users. If they're good to go, you release it to everyone. A/B testing is like a bake-off. You put two versions head-to-head to see which one users love more. And the stealthiest of all? Shadow deployment. It tests the new version with real traffic, totally behind the scenes.
So you've got all these options. How in the world do you pick the right one for your project? Well, it's all about trade-offs. Look at how each one stacks up on downtime, risk, and, of course, complexity.
See, there's no single best way. It really depends on what your app needs and how much risk you can handle. Which leads to the big question. Is your current deployment strategy actually working for you?